Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be making some chili. For that you're going to need roughly around 2 pounds of ground meat. I'm using 80-20. Then you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of each. Black pepper, garlic powder, sugar, I'm using Splenda, and oregano. Then you're going to need 29 ounces of tomato sauce. You're going to need 1 big can of kidney beans. I don't have that, so I'm using 1 small can of kidney beans and 1 small can of cannelli beans. You're going to drain them. Then I'm going to use 1 pinch of pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 medium onion cut up, 2 stalks of celery cut up, and 1 quart of tomato juice. Okay, so the first thing you do is fry your ground meat up. Okay, so while your ground meat is frying, now's a good time to drain your beans. Don't rinse them, just drain them. Okay, so once the ground meat is fried up, you take it over and you rinse it and you drain it. Okay, so after your ground meat is drained and rinsed, put it in a big pot and start adding your ingredients. I start with my tomato juice. Then add your tomato sauce. Then you add your dry ingredients, which is your garlic powder and all those. Don't forget your pinch of your Himalayan salt or whatever kind of salt you're going to use. Now give that a good mix in. And when you get done giving that a good mix in, then we could add our celery, our onions, and our beans. Okay, so in goes the celery, the onions, and the beans. Give that a good mix in. Okay, now put this on like 3 or 4 and leave it simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half, and don't forget to stir it. Okay guys, so after about an hour and a half of simmering, this is what your chili should look like. Now I bought all these tomato juice and it sucked. It was like water. My husband came out to make a Bloody Mary and he said, "What the hell kind of shit is this?" He had to add so much stuff into it. He said, "This is like water." So please buy a good name brand of tomato juice. Otherwise, like me and my husband, you're gonna have to add a shit ton of seasoning in to make anything worthwhile. Now, if you buy the Aldi's brand, you're gonna have to add more chili powder in and salt. But if you buy a good name brand, just follow my instructions and you'll be just fine. Enjoy!